Hello there, kia ora, and welcome. Today, things are getting a little lit.
First, I mocked up the LED light bar to see if everything worked.
It works! However, the battery cable is way too short to reach the boot, so I'm going to have to do a bit of modification.
Then I connected the high beam signal wires from the back of the headlight. Mounted the switch and relay. I then proceeded to hack up a perfectly good wiring harness. I'm installing a light bar as there is a day-night autocross coming up, and I didn't think my ancient tech headlights would quite cut it. Eventually, I got the power wires sorted with an inline fuse. Utilising the number plate bracket with some alloy as a mount for the light bar, we got it sturdily bolted up to the front of the MX.
As you can see, the light bar is installed, but I thought, while I have the car apart and doing a whole bunch of wiring, why don't I add some carbohydrates to this mix? No, a bit of rice, some nice, lovely Need for Speed Underground 2 Underglow. Yeah!
I'm treating the Underglow as disposable, as it is going to be getting absolutely thrashed by the gravel under the car. To install this, I just cleaned the area with some acetone and stuck the lights on, connected to the battery with a fuse and switch. The light bar was quite effective. It doesn't show up on camera that well, but it threw light further than my regular headlights on full beam, and the quality of light was a lot better. This in turn meant I was able to see more detail, such as potholes, bumps and rocks to avoid, with plenty of reaction time. It was very helpful in the day-night autocross, which will be the next video.
Like and subscribe.